All right, next video is going to be a Jack Doherty body cam 22 hours ago. So we can only hope he gets tased.
I'm getting out the street. No, you're not. Like, after I do this, who the are you, bro?
When an entitled YouTuber pushes officers too far, they decide to bring him in. But they are unaware of the lengths he's willing to go to turn this situation into content.
Bro, I feel like he's the most devious with it. He turns literally everything into the one where he crashed a McLaren and his friend was like bleeding and he didn't even give a fuck. Like, bro, that dude's mind is fucked.
It's around 3 a.m. on the morning of Saturday, November 15th, 2025.
Oh, this was last year. Aw.
And these Miami Beach police officers stationed on Washington Avenue in Miami Beach, Florida, have reached their patience limit with 22-year-old YouTuber Jack Doherty, who broke away from his group and attempted to engage officers to create content for his channel in the middle of the roadway, creating a safety hazard. Despite multiple warnings, Jack continued recording the video, even ignoring his friends as they told him to stop. As a final warning,
to be honest though, dude already has charges. Dude's not going to be able to get a job. So he has to just double down and keep doing it. I kind of get it, but I don't agree with it. I think he's an asshole.
Officers told him that they would arrest him if he didn't comply, to which Jack replied, "Once I'm done with this, bet." And now, as officers move to make good on that warning, they have no idea that Jack is far from done recording them on this day.
What? No.
I got him.
Hey, yo, you don't want to go neither. Back up.
I'm just saying I got him.
Back up. Don't worry about it. Back up. No. Back up. No.
Go to the sidewalk. Go to the sidewalk now. Go to the sidewalk now. You want to go with him? Go to the sidewalk now. Okay.
No, I'm chill.
Now.
You want to be funny? We tell you to get on the street, go on the street. All right, I'm getting out. Who the you think you are, bro?
So basically just jaywalking. He was just like loitering in the street with a bunch of people.
Getting out the street? No, you're not. Like, after I do this, who the are you, bro? I was trying to walk up the street, but doesn't matter, bro. All you had to do was get in the sidewalk. That's it. You want to be funny? Okay. Yo, you should have got your man out the road.
I was trying to.
Now, as officers proceed to search him, they immediately...
Oh, that's security. I hope that guy gets paid enough. I'm sure he does, but he probably gets treated like shit, man. Hopefully not.
Find even more reasons to take him to jail, but Jack only sees it as another content opportunity, something the officers have yet to realize.
Hey, free Jack! He's in the water, like, what? He was trying to.
Oh, good.
Chill. Can I take it off and give it to someone?
I got some weed on him.
Wait, no, you can't take it off like that. Yo, chill.
Oh.
Wait, let me take it. Can I take it off for you? You have to like slide it off your wrist. Like, you can't take it off anyway. Jeez, big man, you gotta go take it off.
I mean, it's not a lot, but that's not good at all to be caught with drugs.
I'll check it out. There's also
No, you really can't take it off that way, sir. Let me slide it off, you know? No.
Motherfucker, they're funny, bro. Like, it's not serious.
I'm not even doing that.
I get you.
Oh, do you get arrested for MDMA, right? Even like one little pill, I assume. The weed, I'm sure they don't give a fuck. I mean, at this point, who cares about weed? But
I'm just telling you.
I know. We told them a bunch of times.
No. It's not even that.
No, you're cool.
I was telling you genuinely. I apologize on his behalf.
No, and I accept your apology, bro. But
I get you. You're still irritated by it. I'm not tripping. I'm just letting you know that's not where I'm coming from. That's not where I'm coming from.
I got you. That's good, bro.
We can't get my watch or someone or no?
What is? I need a watch.
No, but you have to like untape. You have to.
I got you.
Yeah, thank you. Can you tell him to pull up here, my friend?
He can take it off. He can take the watch off 05. We'll do it at the station.
But real, can I just take it off?
We'll do it at the station.
No. Is this gonna be like a timeout?
No, he's going to jail.
You really gonna take it?
No, this is not the right thing. Come on, let's down the road. Come on.
I'm just asking for that. I'm just asking so I can get an idea what is going on.
if he didn't have security, he definitely would have already been in jail at this point. That he saves his ass every time, even against cops, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Like, yeah, that's how we gotta learn. That's how we gotta learn.
With officers finding 3 hand-rolled suspected cannabis cigarettes and half of an orange oval-shaped pill marked with a 3, consistent with a Schedule 2 amphetamine, Jack is immediately brought to the station.
Okay, Schedule 2. I didn't even know which schedule MDMA was.
This is where his entitled behavior leads him to pull another move that he will soon regret.
You'll ask them when you get a chance to. I don't know. As soon as the judge call you in, then you'll be fine.
They're respectful, so you know, I'm not trying to like be a dickhead, you know. Very sensitive.
I'll answer it. I'll answer it later on. Sorry.
Can't let me know how long it'll take.
Because I don't know.
How long you think
What are we doing?
don't
Who
know.
cares?
Probably no. Probably tomorrow. Maybe. Oh no. This is just a pit stop. All right, come on.
Is he just being an asshole? Sarcastic?
Yeah.
How are you guys?
How are you?
Pretty good, man.
All right.
So now, you know.
I'm sorry, bro.
You guys sound like
gotta
my
listen,
watch
man,
my
bro.
friend. But,
We got you.
no worries. You have the right to remain silent. Everything you will, right? Because no one said that to me.
We're not questioning you.
Oh, really?
It's kind of how it works. Just face that way for me, please.
Which way?
Yes, stuff like that.
Are your guys' body cams going?
100%.
That's tough. That's tough. Alright. See how it is.
Yeah, he knows it's just going to be turned into content like this, and it's exactly what he wants. But, I mean, it is negative attention. Like, I'm not saying he's a good dude at all, you know?
Alright, so here's what's going to happen. I'm going to remove the handcuff from you. Listen.
Oh, yeah.
And then take all your jewelry out.
Okay.
Socks, sneakers, put it on top of the counter. Yes?
Top of the, what?
Counter.
This might seem like a
Oh, is he already...
simple order, but to Jack, it's about protecting his jewelry, and he won't even hesitate to instruct officers on how to preserve it.
I'm knocking out tonight.
Unfortunately not, brother.
When do you think I will?
Tomorrow's Saturday, hopefully tomorrow.
Okay, hopefully. Hopefully, be careful, you know.
Got you.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
No, you're good,
I'm
you're
so OCD and shit. You know,
I
it's
guess
nice
you are.
watch. Oh, this shit scratched my shit up. Nah, I'm suing.
Yeah, alright, you did, bro.
I got insurance on these
Huh.
things now, you know what I'm saying?
Take the jewelry out, please.
What do I do with this, you know?
Take everything out.
You guys can be like careful with it, you know?
Yeah, of course,
I'm
man.
so OCD, bro. It's delicate.
Alright, everything gets documented, you know.
Alright, cool.
I mean, he's not being all that weird. Like, he's not being, like, you know, rambunctious and shit, like, causing problems. Like,
not
he's
talking
actually
about that.
being
It's like-
kind of respectful.
Can't like bend it, you know?
His friends outside?
I don't know.
Because I think he wants to hand that
I'll
over to
do,
them.
can I call him? I'll do anything to give him this so it doesn't have to be here. Please.
You would give him.
No, it goes with you.
Just my jewelry. I'll do anything.
I'm down for that. Let him. He got his phone, right?
Yeah, it's right here.
Make a phone. Let him make a phone call,
Thank you.
and you know they can take all your jewelry.
Listen, boss man, Jack.
Yes, sir.
When you give him the order, dog, you gotta do that. Like you could have avoided all of this.
I know. I wish I could have. But like right when I was getting that order, I turned around and boom, my security guard was there. But like it was. I know. I'm not gonna like make excuses, you know.
Have
Yeah.
him come to the station. And
Yo, you want to come to this? You got my location?
Just give him the address.
How come? Dave has the location, but you can pick up my
11
jewelry.
Street, Washington Avenue. 1100
Yeah, pick up my jewelry, you know.
Yo, there's too many people talking at once, man. I feel like it's so annoying.
In your car.
you're gonna put all the
Yeah,
jewelry in
just
the
pick up my
bag.
jewelry.
In the car.
Matter of fact, yeah, put it all in the bag.
Yeah.
He's gonna go back out and go into your car or whatever, sit in there,
Yeah.
and then the guy will walk him in or
The guy will
whatever.
hand it over.
Literally, he's like, hey, you can get this, and get his, the person he's giving to, all that 13 that goes in the OIR. I don't want nothing to come up with this problem.
Do your thing.
All right.
No problem.
Sorry, I'm trying to tell him to come here.
We're walking there right now.
Okay, bet.
Tell him to have his driver's license and everything ready.
ID.
You don't got your ID?
When is ID?
Put someone, just have Dave or whoever has your ID. You do? I bet.
How much was it again?
440.
100.
We don't get
Hey,
Sorry, no, yeah, the cash is cool. You guys got that.
No, look, 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You saw that, right?
Yeah, 6, 7.
All going in here.
Wait, no.
One
I
person.
thought we were giving it to him.
Yeah.
Oh, you are.
Yeah, well, we gotta like keep
We're
it
gonna
nice,
have-
nice
no.
and neat, you know?
Okay, so one here. All right.
No. Probably just give it to him hand.
We have to do this first.
put it in
Right?
Alright, y'all.
Okay, 2. All right.
Alright.
Yeah, he's just like spacey, bro. He's just like not listening. Like he's not really focused on that. He's really focused on making this video.
3 right here. 4. Okay.
Thank you.
And then
This-
that's
Can we get a separate bag first so we don't scratch
And
it up, you know?
then
You don't got a separate bag?
the watch. All right.
No. Because it's gonna scratch it up. You can't scratch
We
it.
got you.
Thank you so much.
All right, man.
Thank you so much. I
then-
appreciate you guys.
Yourself, right? Can you?
What you get a brace?
Here's the problem. Right? We made an exception for you to make a phone call. Yes.
Yes.
And I told you not to record, but you are recording.
I don't know.
So you know what's gonna happen now? All this is going with you to TK. We're not giving this to anybody else.
I can just delete the video.
No, take your shoes off.
Bro,
Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off.
but aren't you guys recording too?
Take your shoes off.
Then my shoes are off.
Take your socks off.
Alright.
Hey, call the sergeant. 10-207. Somebody picking this up is going to the UK.
And they were trying to help him by letting the friend take the jewelry, and then he was recording after making that phone call. Dude, just for the content. Wow. Okay. So yeah, no, he was being sly the whole time.
The what?
Turn around.
Dude, really, bro? You guys really gotta make that, dude? Like, I'm.
Finish the fuck again, man. Open it. Come on.
Yo! Okay, that was quite a skip. Whoa. They do that to people? That was...
Put your hands right here. Take some steps back. Widen your stance. Widen your stance. More. All right. Hey, it's going to TGK. Everything's going to TGK.
Ending mileage 15031.5.
Jeez, bro. Man, I don't want to get arrested just for this, man. Just to get all ruffled up and shit. God damn.
It's all right. Everything's going to TGK.
Yeah, he gonna sit though.
Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Even better, yeah. Hey, get in there. Trying to be funny.
Bro, he's trying to be funny, dog.
I'm just tired of this video. All right, next.